Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. So in today's video, we are going to understand how to get SMS notification for new Facebook leads added in Google Sheets. So here let's suppose that I have a media agency and to promote it, I'm using Facebook lead ads. My objective is that whenever I'm going to receive a new lead through Facebook lead ads, then I want to add the lead details in a Google Sheet. Once the details are added in a Google Sheet, then I would like to get a SMS notification for the same. So now to do this, I need to build an integration between these applications, for which I'm going to use Pabbly Connect. So here my trigger application will be Facebook lead ads and my action applications will be Google Sheets and Twilio. So here to send the SMS, I'm using Twilio. If you want to learn more about this, follow me through the screen.
In this video, we are going to understand how to get SMS notification for new Facebook leads added in Google Sheets. So here let's assume that I have a media agency and to promote it, I'm using Facebook lead ads. So here my objective is that whenever I'm going to receive a new lead through Facebook lead ads, then automatically the details of that lead should be added in Google Sheets. And once added in Google Sheets, then I should get a SMS about the same. So now to automate this entire process, I'm going to use Pabbly Connect, and this here is the homepage of Pabbly Connect. And now as an existing user, I'm going to sign in. But if you're a new user, you can click on the sign up for free button and every month you will get 100 tasks for free. So as an existing user, I'm going to sign in. Now this here is the all applications page by Pabbly. So here I will go to Pabbly Connect and click on access now to reach my dashboard. So this here is my dashboard, and now in order to create a new workflow, I will go to my right hand side corner and click on this create workflow button. So now in this dialog box appearing, I need to give my workflow a name. So here I've named it as get SMS notification for new Facebook leads added in Google Sheets. And on my left hand side, you can see that these are the folders which I've created before. So I want to save this workflow in the folder named as Facebook lead ads. And now here I'm going to click on create. So as I did that, now I have arrived on a very important window which consists of trigger and action. Basically, trigger and action are the two most important principles or concepts of Pabbly Connect on which this entire automation will depend. Trigger says when this happens, action says do this. Action is an automated response of your trigger application, and in a workflow you can only have one trigger but multiple action applications. So now moving to my use case, that is to get SMS notification for new Facebook leads added in Google Sheets. So now over here, moving to my trigger window, as I'm promoting my business with the help of Facebook lead ads. So Facebook lead ads will be my trigger application. And the trigger event will be new lead instant. So the moment I'm going to receive a new lead, then this workflow is going to run automatically. So now moving to my action window, as I'm adding the lead details in a Google Sheet. So here Google Sheets will be my action application. So now I'm again going to click on this add action step because I want to get a SMS notification for the new Facebook leads that will be added in a Google Sheet. So here I'm going to use Twilio, and here it is. And the action event will be to send SMS message. So as here you can see that I have selected my action applications along with the action events, along with the trigger application and the trigger event. So my objective is to get SMS notification for new Facebook leads added in Google Sheets. So moving to my trigger window, firstly I need to establish a connection between Facebook lead ads and Pabbly Connect. So here I'm going to click on connect. And now in order to add a new connection, I've already logged into my Facebook account in one of the tabs. Here I'm going to click on connect. And the authorization is successful. So here you can see that Pabbly Connect and Facebook lead ads is successfully connected. So now moving to the page and the lead gen form. Here I need to select the page that I've created for my media agency and the lead gen form that is associated with my Facebook page. So now I'm going to show you my page that I've created. So this here is the page by the name of Sharks Media Agency. So firstly in Pabbly Connect, I'm going to search for my page as Sharks Media Agency. Here it is. And now after selecting the page, I need to select the lead gen form associated with it. So here in Meta Business Suite, these are the lead ad form which I've created. So I want to use this lead ad form by the name of Sharks Media Contact Form. And this is how the form looks like. So now in Pabbly Connect, as the form name suggests, that is Sharks Media Contact Form. So from this drop down, I'm going to select the same. Once I've selected the page and the lead gen form associated with it, here I'm going to click on Save and Send Test Request. So as I did that, here you can see it is waiting for a webhook response. That means now I need to do a test submission or record so that the data can be recorded here in the webhook response. So now to do a test submission, I'm going to a new tab and here I'm going to search for Meta for developers. I will go to the page. And in Meta for developers, I will go to my apps. And here in my apps, I will go to tools. And under this developer tools, I will go to this lead ads RTO debug tool. So this here is the lead ads testing tool. This tool is going to test our integration. So here from the page drop down, I'm going to select my page. And after selecting the page, I'm going to select the form which I want to use. So now after selecting the page and form, here I'm going to click on preview form. So here this is the lead ad form and I fill in the details of email, full name, phone number and the city. So now I'm going to click on next and now I will submit it. It says thanks, you're all set, your test lead has been sent. That means the lead which I've just created would have been captured in Pabbly Connect. So I'm going to take you to Pabbly Connect and here you can see that I have received a response. Here's the email, full name, phone number, city and the created date and time along with some other details. So over here in Pabbly Connect, the lead which I've just created is successfully captured. So the first step of this automation is set up. That means now whenever I'm going to receive a new lead through Facebook lead ads, then automatically that lead will get captured over here in Pabbly Connect. So this trigger will instantly capture the new incoming data and the workflow execution will start in real time. So as I've got the lead details, now I want to add the lead details in a Google Sheet. So here I need to click on connect. And now to add a new connection, you just have to sign in with Google. Here I am going to click on allow as this is a secure access. And the authorization was successful. So here you can see that Google Sheets and Pabbly Connect is successfully connected. So now moving to the select spreadsheet and the select sheet part. So this here is my Google Sheet which I've created by the name of Facebook Leads New and it consists of 4 columns: lead email, lead name, phone number and the city, and it only consists of one sheet. So in this Google Sheet, I want to add the Facebook lead details. So firstly, I'm going to select my spreadsheet as Facebook Leads New. So now as I've selected my spreadsheet, the selected sheet is sheet 1. So now moving to these details. Here to mention these details, I'm going to use a method that is called as mapping. So basically mapping means to insert the data from previous steps. So as I've received the response from Facebook lead ads, so here I'm going to map the details from that response. So as I'm going to map all of these details over here in these fields, so this method of mapping is important so that every time you receive a new response, so that response can be taken into consideration in these fields. If I would have written this information manually, in that case, this information could have become static, which means that it wouldn't change even if I would have received a new response. So to avoid that problem, we map the information. So as I've mapped all of the details, here I'm going to click on Save and Send Test Request. And here you can see that I have received a response and this here is a positive one. So here in this Google Sheet, in a new row, the Facebook lead details is successfully added. Here's the lead email, lead name, phone number and the city. So as I've added the details successfully in this Google Sheet, now I want to get a SMS notification for the same. So here to get the SMS, I'm going to use Twilio and here I need to click on connect. And now in order to add a new connection, I have to mention the account SID, authorization token, and once again the account SID. So here in my Twilio account, this is the account SID. I'm going to copy it. And here in Pabbly Connect, I'm going to paste it. And once again, I'm going to paste it over here. Moving to the authorization token, this is the authorization token. And here I've pasted the authorization token. Now I'm going to click on save. So here you can see that Twilio and Pabbly Connect is successfully connected. So now moving to these details. So here I need to enter the body of the SMS. So here I framed the message and in the message I want to add the lead details as well. So again from the response received, I'm going to map it. So now I'm going to map the phone number, going to map the email, and now I'm going to map the city. So as I've mapped all of the details, now here I need to mention my sender number, that is my Twilio number, and the recipient's number. So here as I want to get a notification, so here I'm going to mention my number and here I'm going to add the sender number. So here I've mentioned the numbers and now I'm going to click on Save and Send Test Request. So this here is a positive response. That means I would have got a SMS about the Facebook lead. So now I'm going to show you the SMS as well. And this here is the SMS. So over here, you can see it goes as lead alert. Here are the new Facebook lead details. It includes of name, phone number, email, and the city. So that means this automation is a successful one. That means whenever I'm going to receive a new lead through Facebook lead ads, then automatically those lead details will be added in a Google Sheet. And once added in that Google Sheet, I will get a SMS notification for the same.
Not just these applications, you can integrate a lot more applications with the help of Pabbly Connect. So if you have any doubts regarding Pabbly, reach us at support@pabbly.com, and if you have any queries, you can visit us at forum.pabbly.com. If you have any pricing related query, you can visit this link. So if you like this video, please share it with your friends and colleagues, and do not forget to like, share and subscribe our channel.